Hey there, look what I got. So I just got the, what is it, the OLIGHT PL Mini 2 Valkyrie. It's got the 600 matte lumen. I was really on the cusp about getting the 800, and I think I just was trying to be price conscious to see first what was going. This has got a 100-yard, 100-meter throw. So let's unbox this thing. All right. Oh, that thing's nice. Let's see. It's hard to do with one hand. I almost went the cheaper version, and I just couldn't bite. You know. Let's see what you got. Thank you for being part of our OLIGHT family. Your support is why we do. All right, that's kind of nice. Personal directions. Oh yeah, it's got the charging station, magnetic. That's really cool. It's really small. Nice. All right. I'm a fairly big guy. Let's get the switch. Oh, I think I'm gonna love this. Yeah. Oh yeah, that magnet picks it up. Check this thing out. Right on. Armor LED. All right. Okay. Well.
Obviously, you guys already know I'm going to say the blood. This gun right here is just a simple gun.
The OLIGHT Mini Valkyrie, I believe. Magnetic charge on a subcompact XD. Springfield arms, 9mm. It's a mod 2. Matches colored pretty good. You have to take the light off to put it on the rail, and you just slide the light back on. Now we're gonna do a light demonstration. It's got ambidextrous.